At Johnson Controls, we transform environments where we work, live, play, and learn. We focus on outcomes that matter most.
The customers demand fast delivery, low cost and high quality. And in order to give that, we have to look at optimizing our day-to-day business.
Every day we have few thousand cases when somebody starts, stops or confirms a job. So to gather all this data manually, it was a huge challenge for us. We decided that we need to have more automated and digital process of collecting data from shop floor. That's why launching Smart Factory with Power Platform was so important for us to stay productive and efficient. We decided to use Power Platform and Power Apps and Power Automate in order to develop our applications. We could also involve other departments like manufacturing directly in the development process.
What's great about the Power Platform is that we ourselves can go and adjust the code into how our process works. Because to understand our production, it takes a lot of knowledge.
I feel like I have a big voice, and a lot of the ideas that I've come up with or with the operators are actually in the system right now.
We had our first application ready just in a few weeks.
The Power Smart Factory is the tool we can use to see the business hour by hour, act fast, build on facts, and thereby make improvements that improve our productivity and efficiency.
We have the operator app and the warehouse app, which is for them to process the orders so they can put in their times for it and when they face problems, and also when they're finished the product to confirm it. Then we have the management app to get this live overview of how our orders are doing through the value chain. And it also captures the data so we can use it for improvement later on.
We can follow the product, the failure modes and the risk we have associated with it and act on it. So it gives a really good tools to make decisions from.
It makes the job easier for the operators. The biggest benefit is that we're able to be proactive in the way we produce.
By using Smart Factory, we can track down the issues. We can focus some resources on that compressor to make sure that we get back on plan.
Using the Power Platform and Teams made it much easier for our people that they only have single points that they need to go to.
I need an answer from an engineer. I can take a picture of the product, send it on Teams, then he can look at it, and then he can give me the answer on Teams.
We can see the huge improvement in communication between the corporate offices and our plants since we launched Teams. We are planning to use Teams in manufacturing where people can launch the Power Apps and also Power Automate flows, so that we can keep all the communication and applications accessible in one place. After launching our Smart Factory, we could already see a spike in productivity and efficiency. This is very important for us as Johnson Controls because we can deliver our products on time and also we can be more cost efficient.
I think we're on a journey right now where we can develop quite a lot. We can increase the amount of product that we can make, and I want to be part of that journey.